Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to aim your headlights on your 10th generation Honda Civic. Start by popping your hood open and come in here in the engine bay. And on the back side of the headlight, you'll see this round, looks like a gear. Basically to aim it, all you're going to need to do is put a Phillips screwdriver down in there and turn it. If you turn it clockwise, it'll make the beam of the headlight go down. If you turn it counterclockwise, so if you turn the actual screwdriver itself counterclockwise, it'll make the beam go up. I'll show you guys an example of this. I'm going to be using a drill on this with a Phillips bit in it, just so I can do it a lot faster, so you guys kind of see how it works. Alright, so I have the beam on, and I'm going to turn it clockwise, and you can watch the beam go down. And now you can see the beams are uneven. And so to put it back up, I'm just going to do counterclockwise. And that's it, guys. That's how you aim your headlights. Thanks for watching.